Sige.
Ano ba?
Alisin mo na yung Google. Ito. Start na.
Hello, good morning. First of all, I would like to thank you for the opportunity to be interviewed today.
Alright, so thank you. Hi, good morning. I am Eliza Villanueva, one of the HR manager who will conduct an interview. So, how do you want me to address you?
You can call me Cherry.
Alright, Cherry. So, I want to remind you that this interview is being recorded for compliance and review purposes. Do you want me to record this interview or you prepare none?
Yeah, sure, let's record. Thank you.
With the interview, I wanted to know how are you feeling right now?
Right, I'm a little excited for our conversation and ready to dive in. Thanks for asking.
You know, and that you can be comfortable and just be confident. Just take this interview as a casual conversation, and I'll be the one who will do your initial interview for the position that you're applying for. Okay, so now tell me about yourself.
Thank you for the opportunity. About myself, I appreciate you making me feel comfortable. Well, to tell you a bit about myself, I am highly motivated and analytical professional with a strong background in financial analysis and client relationship management. I've always been drawn to financial industry, particularly in trade, cases. My experience has equipped me with a keen eye for detail, strong problem-solving skills, and proven ability to communicate complex financial information clearly and effectively to clients. I'm eager to leverage these skills to contribute to your team as client credit associate.
So for now, can you tell me about your work experience?
Okay, thank you for that question, Miss Eliza. About my experience, certainly my work experience has primarily revolved around financial analysis and client-facing roles, which I believe are highly relevant to a client credit associate position. In my previous role, I was analyzing financial statements, credit reports, and market data to assess the creditworthiness of client and identify